Legends of Learning presents The Wizards of the Cube
Press
game.
right.
This is a math game that makes
Press
learning about
left.
unit cubes
Press
fun
up.
and easy to understand.
Press
In this
first.
informative, instructional
First.
game,
Ob-
explore
leaders.
the vast world of Wizards of the Cube to better
Obtain a
understand the
three-dimensional
concepts of
volume,
volume and
width,
how to make
and
good
height
use of unit cubes.
Do all it's measured with. Press
This
shift
game will
to
test your
run.
knowledge of unit cubes applied to different real-world scenarios. Use the keyboard arrow keys to move
How
around the
many
map.
cubes?
Use spacebar to interact with different objects. Hold shift to run and see if you can help all the people in the village to become the
I
wizard
feel so
of the
balanced
cube.
now.
Navigate on the map to locate people that need help with math problems.
Press and
Help
turn
solve
left
all the
before
math problems
press
to complete the game.
space.
Complete all the
Press.
tasks to win the
Even
game.
now that the mystery has been
Use your
lifted,
knowledge of
this
math to
place
complete
will
this
remain
fun
safe to
and
cancel
educational
bullying.
game.
Press. Use
So,
up.
do you have the
Press.
right math skills
Use
to help
up,
you
down.
become the greatest math wizard of the cubes? Have fun
Wow.
and enjoy playing.
Move around the haystack. Press left
space.
right. If the haystack